Hey everyone, Gardener Koo here with Little Nacho, and I wanted to talk to you today about soils. I know a lot of times you go to the nursery and there's these long rows of soils and it's really confusing which ones you want to get. Well, I'm going to talk to you today about the three main ones: potting, planting, and topsoil. So topsoil is the cheapest and the absolute worst. This is trash for the garden. Do not use it. It's made up of clay, sand, bark, and a few other things, and honestly, it's just terrible for plants. The only use case for topsoil is when you're planting aquatic plants. Water lilies absolutely love topsoil, but otherwise, just stay away. The planting mix is another popular one you will see in the nursery. Planting mix is made up predominantly of shredded bark, but this bark has not broken down yet, so it does not hold water. I would only use this if you're planting something that likes it dry, or if you're willing to mix it really well with your existing soil and you have clay like I do. This would be the only use case for planting mix. The last one I want to talk to you about is potting soil. And potting soil is the most expensive, but honestly the best. Potting soil is made up of shredded bark, just like the planting mix is, but it has added in peat moss, perlite, high dendy, and added in beneficial fungi and long-release fertilizer. These fertilizers sometimes last for 6 to 9 months. I also use potting soil for doing my seeds. Seeds really love potting soil because it has fertilizer in it, but it's slow release, so they do great. My preferred potting soil is the Miracle-Gro Yellow. That stuff works great, and I just use it in the ground, in pots, everywhere. I will warn you about potting soil, though. I left Little Nacho here alone for 1 minute with it and came back, and he was just hoovering it down. Puppies like potting soil. Careful. So I hope I was able to help you learn about the soils today. There's a whole bunch of other ones that you'll see there, like cactus mix, which is great for cacti, but there's also silly ones like citrus mix or raised bed mix, which are just repackaged planting soil. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I am Gardener Koo, and this is Nacho. Thank you for watching.